Hello students, today we will discuss chapter 12, reproduction in plants. Firstly, we have to understand the concept of reproduction. The production of new individuals from their parents is known as reproduction. Reproduction is one of the most important characteristics of living organisms. This process varies from one group of living organisms to another. Reproduction in plants. Now, the production of new individuals from their parent is known as reproduction. Reproduction in plants can take place through its vegetative parts like roots, stems, and leaves, or through reproductive parts. Methods of reproduction in plants. There are the two types of methods of reproduction in plants: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction in plants, the production of new plants from a single parent without the involvement of gametes is called asexual reproduction. Please understand, the production of new individual plants from a single parent without any involvement of gametes. Since no fusion of gametes, no seeds are formed in asexual reproduction. Thus, in asexual reproduction, new plants are obtained from a single parent without any production of seeds. Sexual reproduction, the production of new plants from the existing parents by the fusion of their gametes is called sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, the fusion of male gametes and female gametes leads to the formation of seeds. So, in sexual reproduction, new plants are obtained from existing plants through seeds. Method of sexual reproduction in plants. The sexual reproduction in plants can take place by the following methods: vegetative propagation, budding, fragmentation, spore formation. Vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction in which new plants are produced from vegetative parts of the plants like roots, stem, leaves, and buds. Some examples are: by stems. Some plants such as potato, onion, ginger, turmeric, and strawberry are reproduced through vegetative propagation by stem. By roots. In certain plants like sweet potato and dahlia, a root cutting with a bud can form a new plant when put into the moist soil. By leaves. The leaves of plants like bryophylla, begonia produce buds on the leaves. When these leaves get detached from the plant and touch the moist soil, the buds grow into new plants. The next asexual method, that is budding. In budding, a small bulb-like projection called a bud comes out from the parent plant. The bud gradually grows and get detached from the parent cell and form a new plant. The example is yeast. Yeast reproduces by budding. Fragmentation. In the process of fragmentation, the breaking up of the body of plant into two fragments or more fragments, where each fragment grows and matures to form a new plant. This process is known as fragmentation. Example: green algae called Spirogyra is produced by asexual method of fragmentation. Spore formation. The next method is spore formation. A fungus plant called bread molds grows from spores which are present in the air around us. When we keep a moist slice of bread aside for a few days, then the spores of bread molds present in the air settle in the moist bread and germinate to form new bread mold fungus. This is a process of spore formation. Dear students, in the next video, we will discuss sexual reproduction in plants. Thank you.